You're running a real business. You're juggling decisions and people and operations from morning to evening. You have a website, it looks good, but it just sits there doing nothing like an online brochure. You know you should address digital transformation, but it feels like you're expected to just figure out yourself. No clear direction, no structure, no real plan. So many options to choose from. So many people with so many opinions. And so much noise in the tech space. That's where Strategize comes in. It's not a design workshop. It's not a brainstorm. It's a business-first strategy session built for leaders. It's for CEOs, owners, decision-makers who need clarity and control before jumping in. In one focused workshop, we align your business priorities with your digital execution. We're talking clear positioning, digitalization of your specific business model, lead capture and conversion strategy, user flows that make sense, a technology stack that fits your scale. We're talking about a concrete roadmap that gets you from idea to implementation. You leave with decisions made, priorities set, no guesswork, no jargon, no fluff, just a clear, actionable plan you can trust and that your team can actually use. You don't need to be a digital expert. You need a partner who understands business and can turn your goals and your business model into a digital structure that works. That's what we do. If you're about to build or rebuild a website, launch a new marketing plan, or just need clarity before investing more, this is where you start. Book the Strategize workshop. We will cut through the noise, make a plan together, and have digital finally make business sense for you.